Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome along to the episode we've all been waiting for. And it's also been the one I've been dreading because the pressure is on, let me tell you that. So the first episode we did the drums intro, then the last episode we did the breakdown / build up, and now it would make sense to do the next breakdown. The next drop. It's gonna be golden. Anyway, let's get right into the action. If you are binge watching this series, I'll leave a timecode link where you can skip what the drums intro and the breakdown sounds like, because no doubt you've already familiarized yourself with it. But if you are new around here, I'm gonna play the drums intro and the breakdown, you know, just to see where we're at and what it sounds like building up into the drop. Forgot how loud that part is. That needs tuning down. Right, so that is where we're up to today. I mean, first things first, just dragging those drums. Easy part first. Actually, I do want a 909 hat in there. I'm gonna make a dedicated channel for the 909 hat. So it's obviously when you make bass house, at some point in time, you're gonna chuck in the 909 open hi-hat. Yeah, boy. No, not quite. Super punchy. Who knows if we're gonna tackle subtle change today. Also, we got this bit from last episode, if you can remember it.
I'm just gonna warp it, okay.
So there was random shenanigans from recording the pre-drop vocal phrase, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna add that bit in and leave it in for the next part of the drop. Who knows if it's gonna fit or not. Anyway, let's get into the exciting stuff, which is the Serum sound design. Alright, so basically guys, why there was a massive cut there is because I started working on the bass, I realized I hated it, but I liked some parts of it, such as this bit, and I like the pattern of it as well. Like I said, just wasn't a big fan of the bass, so I'm gonna redo it. It's gonna sound better. I'll load up the initial patch and then play what I have so far, so you kind of know the arrangement of it. Basically, these are just a couple of like bass thumps and wubs from our pack medallion, which sounds cool there. And this is just a serum with like a saw wave, OTT, saturation, course classic sidechain, a pitch drop thing, unison, and just heaps of distortion and compression and a little bit of phasing. So here's what we have so far, and we're going to work on this bass here. So we need a cool sound there, and now is the time it's going to happen. What about we have like a wub? No, that's not, no. Thank you. It gives it a bit of funk. We'll do the same for LFO. No, we'll do the same for OS2. If we can just smash them together with like an OTT and distortion, I reckon that could sound pretty cool. And then some kind of LFO like, wow. Sing. That sounds cool. Stop. Oh, yeah. More so. That's that classic distortion and OTT smashing the sounds together. That sounds shit by themselves, actually. That doesn't sound the same. Alright, let's duplicate this serum and we'll do a 7th, which is the bass house best friend. Don't know what I mean by that. It's basically the original note and then up 7, which is, I don't know, something special about it. I think it's like a special minor note that just works really well. We'll turn off the sub for that and we'll go up 7. I have no idea if this is going to work. Oh my god, that's compressed. Which channel are we on? Why do we have so much effects? that last one. Yeah, we need to pitch that and then chuck heaps of effects on it. Oh my god, we're so off. What's that? A sharp, we're an F. Oh boy. Can we go up to the next F? Alright, freeze front that. Don't want to take up too much CPU. Alright, sidechain best friend. What about driver? Driver absolutely mangles sounds. That sounds right, and so did the one before. And then we'll chuck it slightly swing. See that wasn't swingy enough. This is swingy enough. That did not suit there at all. Saturated fixes everything. I think frequency shift is the one I'm thinking of. I kind of want it to like ramp up, but I don't want to mess with it in Serum because I'm happy with where it was. And last time I messed with something in Serum, I spent an hour working on basses I didn't even like. Hopefully this worked. That sounded kind of cool-ish. For the second rotation, this bass does a something. I haven't figured out what that something is yet. Should I change the wavetable? Ish. Yeah, let's do that. Alright. I like the first rotation, not the second. Alright, we need separate subs because the sub is just not subbing enough. So, easy fix, EQ8. See that big sub? And it's gone. And I don't think this is sub. No, it doesn't. Fuck it, we use analog and we have to manually, there-ish, manually do the notes. The things you take in Serum for granted. Analog, anyway, here we go. I forgot about those mutes. And a mute there. Somehow the sub bass is wide. How is it? Is frequency shifter doing that? I can sense it. It's tingling on the sides. It's slightly wide. Alright, definitely need more bass. Said everybody. Just distort it just a little. Oh no, that's not a little. The thing with bass houses, or the thing with Joyrise tracks in particular, there's so many effects on the top. It's just like beautiful, beautiful production. So I'm just thinking of like potential effects we can check. Wow, 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 wow. Medallion. Great, now I have to EQ out that sub bass and draw the sub bass for that pattern. And then is it there? And there? Can we pitch that? Yeah. That suits the track more. Anyway, we need some backing effects. I'm thinking some fruity and some color. This is an FL Studio sound. And then effects, hybrid, mini effects. I don't even know if it's gonna work. We're gonna chuck sidechain and we're gonna see if it fits. I don't think it's in time, so that's why. Random effects, here we go. It's so quiet. Just want the first one. Why does that work? Pitched up 45 semitones. That's fucked. Alright, I want all the bass gone from these effects. Still not sure on a few of them. Let's get some white noise down sweeps. I kind of want nothing to happen there, and then it all comes in. Can we even like mute this kick? And then we change that, and then we change things about this, and then it's all good. So I haven't been talking that much, I've just been concentrating like crazy. What about drum? And then we change this automation, so it's going between 0 and 7, which is funky, I think. Let's just have it 7 all the way. Why not? Why not? I had an idea. It'll sound so good, but I have to do a few things. I'm gonna change it from... Come on. I don't want to. It's gonna happen soon. Oh, that sounds so good. Changing the LFO rate from a quarter, which is like every beat, into eighths, which is 2 per beat, I guess. And then we have to do the same for the sub, but the sub's not in Serum, hence it hasn't got any LFOs, so we have to manually wubbify it. Wubbify! Coming to a cinema near you. I think that's it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Let's one more thing before I wrap up this episode. I'm gonna duplicate this. See if it has any relation in like the background effects and the background ambience and the background noise, because it's lacking, just a little bit lacking. It needs to go up an octave. It suits it. Fingers crossed. Have also started to notice this is clipping a bit, which I know if you redline your headline, but you know. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm going to wrap up the episode there. I've been gone for quite a while. I've done quite a few things to this song which won't make the edit because they were shit, and I was like, nah, delete it. Obviously, the things that have made the cut are the things in the song, but you'll never hear those trashy basses which were indeed trashy. I reckon we've come pretty far. I'm really happy with that pattern, arrangement, and bass sound. Just needs a little bit of tidying up in the mix down wise for like that whole bass thing, and then this bit after the yo fuck it, I'm just gonna leave that in, or warp it, I'm just gonna whatever the fuck it was.
Fuck, I'm just gonna warp it, I don't care.
Yeah, this song's bizarre, but I love it so far. Alright, it's time to wrap up the video and time for the final listen, start to finish so far of what we've got. But before that happens, smash that like button. And next episode is going to be the subtle change, which will be the second half of the drop, which I'm thinking just like a shitload of cowbell. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next episode, and peace. I just signed off, now I have to sit here and listen to it. Random, oh well. That bit is still way too loud. Oh well, it's week's episode, I'll fix that.
What's with the baby,